Why does my skin have blackheads? You're annoyed by enlarged pores that seem blocked by a dark content, especially on your T-zone. Forehead, nose, and chin, this undesirable resident may be open comedones, often called blackheads. Pores are not just holes in the skin. They are, in fact, the opening holes of pilosebaceous follicles, or hair follicles. These units contain the root of hair, even if you can't see one, and sebaceous glands that produce sebum. Normally, sebum disperses freely outside the pore, onto the surface of the skin. But sometimes, its flow is obstructed. It could be due to a modification of the quality of the sebum, which becomes thicker, or a blockage of the pores opening by dead cell and impurity. Most of the time, it is a mix of both. NAOS ecobiological approach addresses the root cause of blackheads formation, and cleansing to liberate the opening of the pore is not enough. The key is to make the flow of sebum easy again by restoring its quality to facilitate its evacuation and regulating its production. Learn more at naos.com.